Hi, welcome to my channel. Before we go into the preparation, subscribe to my channel. Many of you will be tired of thinking what to prepare special for Diwali. Come, let's prepare homemade mixture which is healthy as we are using all ones. For preparing thin chickpeas, take 1 cup of Bengal gram dal powder, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as needed and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Now add water to make dough. Now pour groundnut oil in the pan and heat it in a medium flame. Now for preparing bundi, take 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of Bengal gram dal flour, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add water and mix it well. Make sure that the consistency to be thick watery. Now, we will deep fry groundnuts. Take 1 cup of groundnuts. Take 1 cup of aval, flattened rice, and fry it. Then 1 cup of fried grams. Leaves and fry it. Now mix this mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as needed. Homemade mixture is ready to serve and stock. We got 1 kg of mixture from the given quantities. Try at home. Drop a comment. Like, subscribe and comment.